He slept next to the vending machine behind the old grocery store. Every night. Every morning. Same spot. Same silence. Some people kicked the machine when it jammed. No one looked down. Except her. She worked the early shift. One day, she left a piece of toast near him. The next, she brought water. No leash. No words. Just consistency. A week later, she cracked open the back door. Just a little. He didn't enter. Not yet. But the next morning. He was inside, curled up beside the crates. She smiled. Didn't say a word. Just kept the door open, every day after that. Some hearts don't need rescuing. They just need an invitation.